to be closer to San Luis Obispo County, Santa Barbara County maybe, and then overnight tonight it looks like it's near Kern County. But yeah, it's kind of skipping over us.
Right, we're missing out.
But we are talking about a different storm next week that could really bring us some rain here. And so as that gets closer, we'll let you know more details. Now, the biggest impact for us the next couple days with anything in the weather department is going to be the high surf for some of the beaches. Now, this is Ventura County coastline down through LA County coastline, so we're just taking a live view from Malibu right now. And we could see some pretty big waves. I mean, we're talking 8 to 12 footers possible. And then also strong rip currents too. And now this starts as early as tonight for part of the coastline and then doesn't end until early Saturday morning for some areas. So just check the conditions at your local beaches and be really careful if you are headed anywhere close to them in the next couple of days. 61 degrees, overcast into Malibu. You can see the cloud coverage outside. It's kind of patchy this morning. We have some out toward the IE coastline and then inland to some of the valleys, but it's still cold. Up into Santa Clarita, it's 51 degrees. Some areas you want to keep the sweaters on hand today, but for the most part, it should be pretty mild once we get into this afternoon, staying close to about 70 degrees inland. Live May Doppler 7000 showing some of that rain into areas of NorCal, into the Bay Area, and then it's just going to break apart as it continues on into Central California and the Central Coast. Just not seeing quite yet a whole lot close to us. High surf advisory goes into place again 9 o'clock tonight for some beaches, others tomorrow, and then lasting through Friday night or Saturday morning, depending on where you are. Ventura County beaches all the way down through LA County into Long Beach. And so just be really careful out there. Aside from that, we have the coastal flood advisory in place too for the same portion of the coastline and these beaches, meaning during high tide we could see some water push a little farther inland. There's a moderate chance of that happening. So just be on alert at the coastline, especially with that high surf over the next couple of days. Now, we are going to see some impacts from this storm. This is an atmospheric river landing in Northern California. And mostly we're going to see cooler temperatures, some wind, and overnight tonight we'll even see into tomorrow the potential for some of that moisture north of us. But by tomorrow we already start warming back up. We really warm up this weekend. We have a huge ridge in place. And then next week, these are the bigger changes we are looking ahead to. By sometime between the middle and end of next week, some rain arriving to Southern California. That could be fairly significant for us, so we'll keep an eye tomorrow, and then really nice and mild through the next several days. Still a chance of drizzle, maybe even into tomorrow morning, although not too. It's going to get breezy this afternoon, but a little gusty for the deserts too once we see this front passing. John, I'll send it back to you.
All right, Brianna, thanks.